Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the phone is powered and has network access. This matters because location requires connectivity. Sign in to the same Google or Apple account that the lost phone uses and make sure location and Find My Device were enabled previously. Once done, open the Find My Device or Find My iPhone page on another device or computer and sign in. This first action locates the device fast if it's online and prepares the tools you'll use next. Once signed in, use the map to get the phone's current or last known location. This tells you where to go or whether it's stationary. If it's nearby, command a ring to make it audible even if on silent. If you can't reach it, enable lost mode to lock the screen and display a contact message, and check battery and network status to decide urgency. These actions let you secure data and coordinate retrieval without exposing sensitive information. If you recover the phone, disable lost mode and unlock it with your credentials. If it's unrecoverable, perform a remote erase to protect personal data. Understanding this is irreversible and stops further tracking once completed. After erasing, remove the device from your account to prevent future access prompts. If something goes wrong, for example, the device is offline, wait and refresh the map or confirm account permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.